Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel ServiceNow Universe. Hope you all are doing well. Today in this session we'll discuss about the Flow Designer enhancements introduced in the Vancouver release of ServiceNow. Clearly the first enhancement what you can see here is the UI. The UI is improved. Here everything is nicely structured and we have got more options on this landing page of Flow Designer. The first option here is the filter here, quick filter, where I can filter the all work and created by me. When I click on created by me, I'll see only the flows created by me. Here I am using PDI and I am using the system administrator account. That's why I'm able to see more here. Okay, and here I get option to pick up the recently workflows and I can start working on them again. Okay, and here I get option to see the recent activities. Okay, and at the below we see the option for the different resources here for product documentation, supported videos, community discussions, and much more. Okay, now let me open the flow which I have created here. Okay, let me open just this test flow. And here what I had done is I have added the trigger as service catalog, and this should after we submit the catalog item, it should call the subflow here, that is approvals. Okay, now let me just open the subflow. The changes have been done in the subflow here. First change is this view. They have added this diagram view and this normal view toggle button here. When we click on this diagram view, it should open the diagram view here. Okay, but I see some issues here, so let me just go and open one simple flow which I have created. This is the test flow. Okay, test subflow. One subflow I have created, that is approvals. Okay, and another subflow I have created, that is test subflow. Now let me just switch this view here. Okay, now when I switch this view, as it contains less options here, it has loaded the diagram view. But here in this case, as approvals, let me just switch to normal view, as I have added some more steps here, so it is not changing to diagram view. It is taking some time, so might be there is some glitch here. Okay, but the enhancement what is done here is this view change. We can change the view from diagram view to normal view, normal to diagram view, based on our requirement. Okay, now one more change here is we can add the stage here. Okay, now we can add the stage. We don't have any stage here, so what I can do is I can just click on plus and I can add the stage here. Like if we are sending the approval, then I can say approval requested. Okay, approval requested, and what I'll do is I'll just say done. Okay, and let me add this approval requested. Okay, so I can add the stage throughout the flow here. Okay, and throughout the subflow. Earlier we used to do that only in the main flow, but now we can do that in the subflow as well. And where this flow stage gets stored, that is in the, let me just open the RITM. Okay, so in the RITM we have this stage field here, that will be updated. Okay, so in this case, let me just go here. In this case I have added approval requested. For example, if this test subflow is triggered from any main flow, and if it is stopped here, okay, it is updating the record, for example, then we'll get that indication on the record level in the stage field. Okay, that's why we add the stage here. So that is the enhancement, okay, in the subflow. And the next enhancement is the now assist recommendations. Based on the previous component, ServiceNow will recommend using generative AI. It will recommend the next action here, next components. Currently that is not happening. I'm clicking on action here, but it is not recommending because I am in PDI. But I have the documentation here. This is now assist recommendation. It is using the generative AI to recommend the next actions here. We can see here clearly in this image, it is recommending us. The recommended list is here: create record, create task, lookup records, and update record. Okay, and we, if we don't want these recommendations, then we can stop those recommendations using the flow variables, flow preferences. So in the flow preference we have this show recommendations option here. Now let's go to our flow that we have created, that is test flow, and let's go to flow preferences. Okay, here I cannot see that option here, show recommendations, because I think in PDI generative AI is not working. So I'll just do some research on that and I'll come back on that. Okay, but currently we don't see that option here, and that recommendation is also not working here. Okay, so these are all the flow designer enhancements which I did research on. If you like this video, then please hit the thumb icon, add your valuable suggestions in the comment, and if you're not subscribed to the channel yet, then please subscribe. Thank you.